Organizing a perfect conference is very easy, especially if you're an event manager as brilliant as I am. There are three pillars of any scientific conference: the chairperson, the scientific program, and the location.
Chair! Where do I find the chair? Where?
Choosing the right person to be a scientific chair for Metanana 2021 was almost effortless. Oh, Petro! Misha, help me, I'm stuck. How do I find the chair?
Well, Nasta, chair should be a well-recognized expert in nanophotonics, metamaterials. It's quite obvious. Do you know anyone?
Vanya, what the new chair for Metanana should be?
Well, definitely the new chair should keep up to date with the latest trends in the research.
Makes sense. Seryoja, do you know what makes a good chair?
Nastenka, first of all, very good chairperson should be very stress resistant.
Stress resistant. I don't know who could do it all. Do you know someone?
Yeah, normally inside, but not for this time.
I knew the right choice right away. It was so easy. Polina, help me. What's supposed to be the new chair?
You know, the Metanana chair should be capable of multitasking.
Multitasking. Not a chance. Mikhail Felicevich, what should I do? How do I find the chair?
Oh, Nastya, I mean, a chair should have very, very impressive H-index, I think, yes.
Nastya, that's my coffee, actually.
Sasha! It wasn't really a choice. Sasha is the right person. I knew it all along. Sasha! Can you please be the chair for this year, Metanana?
I'm not sure. Well, if you are asking me to, okay then.
Yes.